When you're ready to find a video on Edpuzzle, your search options are endless. If you're looking for a ready-to-go video created by another teacher that already has questions embedded in it, use the Edpuzzle search channel. You can either type your search terms directly into the top search bar or click on the Edpuzzle channel first and then look for your video. Preview the video to check the questions, then copy it to your content, where you can edit the video further or assign it directly to your class. So what about YouTube? To find safe, educational videos, just click on YouTube under our popular channels and search away. You can also simply copy and paste the link of a YouTube video into our search bar to edit it directly. Some of our other most popular channels include TED Talks, National Geographic, Crash Course, and Khan Academy, so you can search their libraries of content exclusively. What if you want to explore the content from the other teachers at your school? All you need to do is click on your school channel, where you'll be able to see all the videos your coworkers have created. Finally, once you have started to build up your own library of content, you can browse your own videos by clicking on My Content. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel to find more tutorials on how to edit your video, assign it to your students, and more.